Good evening. My name is Joshua Houston. I'm General Counsel at Texas Impact. Our membership includes several Protestant denominations as well as organizations of the Christian, Muslim, and Jewish faiths, and we're here respectfully opposed to Senate Bill 531. We have the same legal concerns as the Family Law Bar, so I'll spend my time talking about kind of our process concerns. If the problem that this bill is addressing is judges violating or ignoring the Texas statutes or the Constitution, then we're unclear how one more statute might help with that. That's a very serious allegation. And we think that warrants an investigation by the legislative branch into whether or not these judges should be impeached. If the concern is judges are getting it wrong, then a solution could be to reform the Select Committee on Judicial Interpretations of the Law, which was a select committee of the 76th legislature that the legislature did when they were concerned about judicial rulings, which involved broad stakeholder processes back in the 76th. If the problem is with alternative dispute resolution or the qualifications of those who are performing it, then a more prudent first step would be doing an interim study on ADR. If the concern is with liberty of contract, then we have contract law in the Business and Commerce Code against unconscionable contracts, and if that's insufficient, then the Family Law Bar has identified 10 other places in code that thoroughly address repugnant things that could arise in a family law contract. If the concern is with any one faith group in particular, then restricting the religious liberty of one faith affects the religious liberty of all faiths. Given that the Vatican and the State of Israel are foreign countries, we have concerns about unintended consequences for the religious liberties of those faiths as well. And if there are people of faith in Texas who are currently violating the Texas law, then we should bring that before a court of law rather than bringing it here in the legislative branch. Thank you for your time this afternoon.
Thank you, Mr. Houston, for being here.